Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Zoom. If you no longer want someone in your Zoom contacts list or wish to prevent them from messaging you, there's a simple way to block them. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom app on your desktop and make sure you are logged in. Then, click on the three dots more and from the drop down option, select Contacts. This will display a list of all your Zoom contacts. Find the person you want to block by scrolling through your contacts. Once you locate your name, hover over their profile and click on the three dot menu, more options next to it. From the drop down menu, select Block Contact. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to block them. Click Block Contact to confirm. Once blocked, they will no longer be able to message or call you through Zoom. And that's it. Now you know how to block someone on Zoom from your contacts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.